This painting has a remarkable sense of vitality. It feels less like a fixed composition and more like a living ecosystem, where color, line, pattern, and transparency are constantly interacting. Rather than presenting a single subject, it invites us to experience movement, relationships, and discovery. The first impression is one of joyful abundance. Fresh greens dominate the painting, immediately suggesting growth, renewal, and nature. They are balanced by warm yellows, soft pinks, cool blues, and occasional flashes of red. The palette is optimistic without becoming overwhelming because the colors are layered transparently, allowing one hue to breathe through another. This creates a luminous quality, as though sunlight is filtering through overlapping leaves. One of the most intriguing elements is the network of continuous looping lines that wander freely across the surface. These lines neither imprison nor divide the painting. Instead, they weave through it like gentle currents of air or streams of thought. They guide the eye in slow circular journeys, encouraging viewers to keep exploring rather than settling on one focal point. The painting rewards prolonged looking. Within these looping spaces are numerous patterned fragments. Every enclosed shape possesses its own visual language: dots, stripes, zigzags, spirals, grids, organic scribbles, and flowing waves. Each pattern has a distinct rhythm, almost like different voices participating in the same conversation. None dominates the others. Together, they create harmony through diversity. The painting also demonstrates an elegant understanding of balance between freedom and structure. At first glance, it appears spontaneous, yet closer observation reveals careful orchestration. The patterned forms are distributed evenly across the picture, preventing visual weight from accumulating in any one area. The darker greens anchor the composition, while lighter colors create spaciousness. The eye is continually led from dense areas to quiet passages. There is an appealing dialogue between macro and micro experiences. From a distance, one sees flowing movement and interlocking organic shapes. Up close, every small compartment reveals delicate, handcrafted marks. This oscillation between the whole and the detail keeps the work engaging. It mirrors the way we experience life itself. Broad journeys composed of countless small moments. The painting may also be understood as a metaphor for human experience. Each patterned shape resembles an individual life, memory, or emotion. They differ in color, texture, and rhythm, yet none exists independently. The looping lines connect everything, suggesting that our lives continually intersect, influence, and reshape one another. Diversity becomes the source of unity. There is no obvious center demanding attention. Instead, every part of the painting contributes equally to the overall experience. This democratic quality reflects a mature confidence. The artist trusts that beauty emerges through relationships rather than through dominance. There is also a meditative dimension beneath the exuberance. Repeating patterns require patience and attentive observation while making them. The work, therefore, records time not measured by clocks, but by sustained presence. Each mark becomes evidence of attentive looking and careful touch. Overall, this painting celebrates the richness of interconnected life. It reminds us that harmony does not arise from uniformity, but from the coexistence of many different rhythms. Every color, every pattern, and every looping line contributes to an ever-changing visual conversation. It is a painting that encourages curiosity, slows perception, and gently reveals new discoveries each time one returns to it.